Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the heated seats fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the heated seats fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes. Today we'll work in just one. You need to open the driver door. Once you open the driver door, you will need to come under the dash on the driver's side. On the left side, if you look upside down on the bottom of the dash in the left corner, you will find one white cover that looks like this one. Open that cover, and once you do that, you will find the main interior fuse box with a layout that will look something like this one here. Before we continue guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. If you guys have the heated seats, you will have that fuse. We will explain where it's located. Now, by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping for Toyota Corolla or any car guys, we will put the link in the description of the video below. That way do not waste your money and time. That row of fuses here on the bottom, that's fuse 1 through 16. On top, that's 17 through 32. And if you come here guys, okay, check that one out now. Fuse number 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fuse number 30. If you have heated seats, you will guys have that fuse number 30 that you will need to check. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.